Yeah, March, well, 12th. Nice snowstorm driving up US Highway 75 north of Lake Benton towards Canby, Minnesota. Anyway, just going to show you some of our fun drives. I was going to a conference in Pipestone, Minnesota. Got down there, grabbed the materials I needed because I was going to get charged for it anyway, and head back home. So home is somewhere between Ivanhoe and Canby, so I'm not certain if I'm going to go all the way to Canby and then come back from the other way or not, but it isn't too bad. But if the snow would ever come straight down, that would be great. But there's some snowbirds. But anyway, there's maybe some kind of a silver lining to snow not coming down straight is it doesn't accumulate. It blows off the road. It'll accumulate in the groves and the yards, which is, yeah, really not that great of a thing. So anyway, this stuff is blowing from the wrong direction too, so it fills up my yard. But what can you do? Anyway, I got probably about 20 miles to go to get to home, and I might make it about 27 if I have to go through Canby. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is our wonderful Minnesota weather. Have a great day. Bye.